Am I the only one that didn't know how easy it is to jailbreak an iPhone 11 with 3uTools? Let's dive in. First, back up your iPhone data using iTunes or iCloud. This is crucial to prevent any data loss. Next, download and install the latest 3uTools from their official website on your computer. Connect your iPhone 11 using a USB cable and unlock your device. Trust your computer if prompted. Open 3uTools and navigate to the Flash and JB or Jailbreak section. Select the jailbreak tool compatible with your iOS version. Tools like Chekra 1N or UNC0ver might be available. Follow the on-screen instructions carefully. You might need to put your iPhone into DFU mode. Once set, initiate the jailbreak process and wait for completion. After the jailbreak, look for Cydia or Soleo on your home screen to finalize the process. Remember, jailbreaking voids your warranty and could pose security risks.